Are you feeling like your life is at standstill? Are you feeling tired of not being able to prosper at the pace you want it? It could be the energy in your home or the workplace holding you back. Yes, you heard it correct. 33% of your energies are influenced by the spaces you live in. That's why, despite working hard or trying to improve certain aspects of your life actively, there is a disconnect in wealth, in health, in emotions or relationships. And the orientation of your homes or offices can play a major role in this. If you're someone who wants to learn the science behind the Vastu and Feng Shui and use it in a day-to-day application to bring growth, prosperity and harmony in your life, in the fields such as wealth, health, relationship and emotions, you're at the right place. If you want to break through this, we are having a workshop on the secrets of Vastu and Feng Shui for success, prosperity and health. I am as Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, and help 1,000+ clients prosper by simply improving their spaces. If you are someone who is looking to grow and prosper in all the fields of your life, I invite you to my workshop where you will learn the potential root cause hindering your growth and prosperity due to spaces. 10 secrets anyone can use to improve 75% energies of their homes and workspaces. What is Vastu and its importance to 10x health, abundance, relationship and emotions. 5 ways to balance positive and negative energies in your home and workspaces. Health issues due to imbalance in Ayurveda in your spaces and how do we balance that. Importance of Vastu in our lives and much more. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life with the right spaces and the right energy.